Welcome to Auto Ravrange, your go-to destination for the latest updates and reviews on everything related to automobiles. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay updated on the newest models, cutting-edge features, and industry trends, you come to the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chrysler 300. This iconic sedan has always been a favorite among car enthusiasts for its bold design and impressive performance, and the 2025 model is no exception. Chrysler has taken the 300 to new heights with a range of exciting upgrades and features that elevate both its aesthetic and driving experience. One of the most noticeable changes in the 2025 Chrysler 300 is its exterior styling. The updated front grille, sleek lines, and modern LED headlights give the car a more aggressive and sophisticated look. The body has been refined, making it appear more aerodynamic, while the overall stance remains powerful and commanding. Chrysler has paid close attention to every detail, ensuring that the 2025 300 stands out on the road with its unique blend of elegance and muscle. When it comes to interior features, the 2025 Chrysler 300 offers an enhanced driving environment. The cabin is designed with luxury in mind, incorporating premium materials like leather upholstery, real wood accents, and soft touch surfaces throughout. The seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, ensuring that both the driver and passengers enjoy a smooth and relaxing ride. The spacious cabin provides ample legroom and headroom, making long journeys more enjoyable. The tech inside the 2025 Chrysler 300 has also received a significant upgrade. The vehicle comes with an advanced Uconnect infotainment system, which includes a large touchscreen display with intuitive controls, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. There's also a high-end sound system available for audiophiles who want to experience crystal clear audio while driving. The system's responsiveness and ease of use make staying connected on the road effortless. In terms of performance, the 2025 Chrysler 300 continues to impress. It offers a choice of powerful engine options, including AV6 and AV8, allowing drivers to choose the level of performance that suits their needs. The engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth and quick shifts. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, the 2025 Chrysler 300 offers an exhilarating driving experience with exceptional handling and a refined ride. Safety is always a priority, and Chrysler has equipped the 2025 300 with an array of advanced driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features work together to enhance safety and give drivers added peace of mind on the road. In conclusion, the 2025 Chrysler 300 is a fantastic blend of style, performance, and technology. It's a car that not only looks great but also offers a thrilling driving experience while keeping safety and comfort in mind. If you're considering a new sedan in do safar do punch, the Chrysler 300 should definitely be at the top of your list. Make sure to subscribe to Auto Ravrange for more reviews and updates on the latest car models.